Hello friends, thank you for watching all my previous video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. Today we are going to show you the unboxing of mini wireless Bluetooth speaker with selfie model DA84. Let's go and open this box and see what we get inside. See now, this is the small item. It's well covered. This is well covered with plastic box, and you can see on the top there is one manual. Let's keep aside. This is the instruction manual. For all the instruction, you can easily read this manual and get all the information of the product. And the next one is, you can see the strip to attach the box and carry wherever we want. Let's open the box. This is another cover for the safety of the speaker. Let's go and remove the speaker now. You can see it's a tiny speaker which is easy to use and easy to operate. This is the Bluetooth, and the charging voltage is DC, current DC 5 volt 300 mAh, and once we charge it can work minimum 3 to 4 hours, and they don't provide any charger in this. And in this Bluetooth speaker they don't provide any chargeable charger or something like that. We can use our normal mobile USB and charger for this. You can see here there is a connector. There is one connector here. We can use our USB easily to import. It's connected now. As you can see, this is Doodocool Bluetooth speaker. Sorry for changing the background because I think the box was white, that's why we changed the background to black, but the box was inside black, that's why we changed the background into white. And we will connect and we will show you how it works and the sound of the speaker. Let's go and show you the demo for this unit. On the back side you can see there is a on button here, but it's not mentioned over here. You can press this button and you can see here the light is blinking over here. Let's go and connect with our mobile. Our Bluetooth is already on. Just press refresh. Just you can see here blinking, and here you can see Doodocool DA84. Now we are pairing. Let's see. Now it's connected. Okay, now it's connected and the blinking is off now. Now we will see the voice. Let's check the voice now. The quality of sound it produces. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share all my videos.